everyone. We are talking to Dinesh ji today. How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
He is managing director for Ashirwad Capital Limited. And today we are going to talk about the markets. So let's start. Sir, what do you feel about the current trends in the market?
Market has been moving sideways for quite some time, and the same trend should continue till we don't get a trigger, or where we should find a trending market, whether it goes bearish or bullish. But a trending market, then we can talk about the future of the market. Market has not given any trend for quite some time, so it's a wait and watch.
Okay. How do you look at precious metals currently?
Again, precious metals is a good hedge against the market, and I strongly recommend people should have at least 20% of their portfolio in these metals, because uncertainty is there in the global scenario, and at such times you don't know when you know the precious metals become the darlings of the market.
Okay. So, what is the strategy for making money this year? Because anyhow, 6 months have gone from this year.
No, your best bet, if you want safe returns, then the debt market is there, but you will barely beat inflation. If you want to make any meaningful return in the market, it's only the stock market. It's only the capital markets is the only avenue left for any individual investor. I think globally, because real estate market is dead, debt market is saturated, cryptos is a thing of the past. I feel. I mean, where do you put your money? The point is that only place where you can put some serious money to work is the capital markets globally.
Right. So, which sectors you feel best right now?
For Indian market, I feel capital goods, defense, then pharma is poking up. It has had like 3 years of very nominal returns, so it's a sectoral bet.
Okay. So, which cap you would prefer for the 6 months? Mid cap, small cap?
Yeah, larger companies within the mid cap. You have to be very selective with the company, good governance, as well as which industry, which sector they belong
So, how do you see SME segment, which is really doing very well?
to. SME, if it is providing a product to the bigger companies, critical components with their own domain experience and domain expertise, such companies which have a very special product and they are attached to a bit larger house, their future is very good.
Okay. So, anything else you would like to add?
No, it's very difficult times. No real, answers. We have to work with new ideas, new things every day, and see what happens. And like you cannot leave your money idle. At the same time, you can't put your money and go to sleep. So you have to work for your returns on a daily basis. You have to keep your eyes and ears open. It's a very challenging environment.
So, what advice you would like to give to people who are starting now?
No, I've always given one advice, and that has worked for me in the last 30 years. And very similar advice I would like to give to the newer generation who's entering the markets, because certain concepts are timeless. So always invest in good companies with good management in sectors which are having a larger shelf life. Like, there are certain sectors which you know for sure that they will thrive for the next 10, 15, 20 years. Be with them. And then within that, what we do at Ashirwad is that we time the market through our technical analysis. I mean, we've developed our own algorithms and indicators that have worked for us in a time frame of, like, let's say 3 to 5 years. We invest with that type of time frame. So technical analysis has given good results. But we choose our companies, fundamental, very strong companies, which are market leaders, or very good management who have a very good outlook for the foreseeable future. So those criteria met, then we time it technically.
It was nice talking to you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best to the new investors.